Good morning, class. Today we will perform an activity to identify acids and bases. Roshni, do you know why curd, lemon juice and orange juice taste sour? Yes, these substances can taste sour because they contain acid. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The example of the acid are hydrochloric acid, acetic acid and citric acid. Pranjal, do you know what are bases?
Substances like baking soda, which are bitter in taste, are bases. The chemical nature of such substances is basic. Examples of bases are sodium hydroxide, baking soda, and soap solution.
Mukul, can you name the substances which are used to whether a substance is acidic or basic?
The substance which is used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic are called indicators, such as phenolphthalein and turmeric paper. Turmeric paper turns red in basic solution and it remains yellow in acidic solution. Phenolphthalein turns pink in basic solution. It remains colorless in acidic solution.
So we will identify if a substance is acidic or basic using phenolphthalein and turmeric as indicators. For this activity, we will need dilute hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, lemon, sodium hydroxide, soap solution and baking soda.
We will add sodium hydroxide in turmeric paper. It turns red, indicating it is a base. Now on adding a few drops of phenolphthalein in sodium hydroxide. It turns pink, indicating it is basic in nature.
We will add few drops of lemon juice on turmeric paper. It remains colorless. Now we will add few drops of phenolphthalein in lemon juice. The color does not change, which indicates it is acidic in nature.
We will add few drops of dilute hydrochloric acid on turmeric paper. It remains yellow, indicating it is acidic in nature. Now we will add few drops of phenolphthalein in solution. It remains colorless, indicating HCl is acidic in nature.
We will add few drops of baking soda on turmeric paper. It turns red, which indicates it is basic in nature. Now we will add few drops of phenolphthalein in baking soda solution. It turns pink, which indicates it is basic in nature.
We will add few drops of phenolphthalein to soap solution. It changes into pink color, which indicates it is basic in nature. Now we will add a few drops of acetic acid. It remains colorless. Now we will add a few drops of phenolphthalein in acetic acid. It remains colorless, which indicates it is acidic in nature. Now we will fill test tube with dilute HCl. Now we will add 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein to solution. We can see there is no change in color. Now we will add few drops of sodium hydroxide to acidic solution. We can see change in color. When an acidic solution is mixed with basic solution, both neutralize effect of each other. The reaction between an acid and base is called neutralization. Through this activity, we conclude that dilute hydrochloric acid, acetic acid, lemon juice are acidic in nature, and soap, sodium hydroxide, baking soda are basic in nature.
Like the video, like, share and subscribe our channel.